Is how do I install a CB antenna without drilling holes? Well, a couple easy ways to do that. Obviously, you could use a magnet mount antenna, so putting a magnet somewhere on your vehicle, well, primarily on the roof of your vehicle. You don't have to drill any holes. You do need to find a way to get that coax cable, though, route that into the cab of your vehicle. Most people will do it. You can actually do it through a door, often through a vent. A lot of people will go through under the car and maybe up through a grommet in
What
the
we're going
floor,
to
but you
do on
can
this
get
one,
the coax for magnet antenna there. So use a magnet antenna to avoid drilling holes, or we have all kinds of mounts that are made specifically for different makes and models of vehicles that don't require drilling holes. Let me show you one of those. Many Fender mounts that we sell, or hood mounts, Fender mounts, they will have holes that line up specifically with the bolts on your hood rail, or they'll have, you'll see a little slit here, and that will line up with a bolt on your hood rail. You just remove the bolt and then slide in the mount, retighten the bolt, and that will support a lighter weight CB antenna. A lot of times those mounts, they do come with extra holes if you do want to drill some holes and add some supporting screws. So to answer, how do I install a CB antenna without drilling holes? Either use a magnet mount antenna or use a bracket that's designed specifically for a vehicle that does not require drilling.